Hello everyone, this is Crystal. I am hopping on today to do a quick video to show you how to share your Christmas list from Stampin' Up. So I am sharing my screen right now. So as you see, I'm at the Stampin' Up website. And I saved a few things on my list just so that you can see what the process is for sharing what you want from Stampin' Up with folks who may buy you a gift. So over here on the upper right, there's a heart. So if you click on the heart, it will show you all of your lists. So I have a Christmas list here. So I'm going to, has 5 items on the list. I'm going to click on my list. And right under the word Christmas, there's edit, delete list, share list. So click on share list, and then there's a link. Copy the link, and then you go to your email. I've already done this. So I've already emailed it to myself. So I'm going to sign out so you can see what it looks like. Sign out. Close this window. I've already emailed it to myself yesterday. So once you click on the link, this is what the person will see, the person who you shared your list with. And right under the word Christmas, it says shared by Crystal Cochren, that's me. And all of the items on the list are here with the person who you shared your list with. Just a few things. If you change your list before the person clicks on the link, the person will get an updated link, will get an updated list. You do not have to send a new link. If the person clicks on the link and then comes back a few days later and you made changes, the person will always see what's updated on the list. The list will update in real time. So you won't have to worry about sending out a new link. Once you send one link, you will be all set. So I hope this helps. Happy shopping and happy crafting. Have a good day.